Okay, welcome back. Pitsenyor, ladies and gentlemen, mga higala Pitsenyor kaninyong tanan. Ako si Dan Taluzon, nagawa na ko karon si Marion Matet Kabutlan sa ikaduhang bahin sa atong Sinulog Coverage 2014.
Hello, good morning and happy Sunday. Viva Pitsenyor, fellow Cebuanos and Filipinos all over the world.
Well, actually, we started on time and the weather has been cooperating. I love the weather. It's not raining and it's not even hot outside. So okay lang ni siya until probably tonight during the fireworks display.
Exactly, Dante. And everybody, please continue to watch CCTN 47 for the live coverage of Sinulog 2014.
That I have to reiterate because I think the voice-over announcer downstairs failed to mention our website. So it's www.cctn47.com. That I have to reiterate
Yeah,
because
it has been updated from its previous
used to be
website.
www.intv.com.ph. Now it's www.cctn47.com.
As we go along with our grand parade. Okay, so today, Dante, we have a total of 36 dancing contingents.
How many?
36.
36.
Yes, and 15 of
Is
which...
that including all free interpretation?
Yes,
Sinulog
for
base?
Sinulog
So, all in all?
base category 15 and 21 for free interpretation category, and 7 of which are from out of town. Meaning
Do we
bisita.
have contingents from Leyte? Because a lot of people
We have
are asking.
Bohol, Panglao. We have
None from Leyte? Not even one? Oh, probably. We understand because of what really happened last year.
We have
Because,
from
Yolanda,
Bohol,
the
Panglao.
earthquake. But we have one contingent from Bohol. At naka-perform na ba sila? Wala pa siguro, no?
Not yet. We also have from Tangub City.
Well, these contingents from Mindanao have been consistent winners like Tangub and Surigao.
Tangub is the defending champion.
Also from Placer, Masbate. Earlier, a friend of mine posted on Facebook because we're Wi-Fi ready here, asking if there are any contingents from Leyte. So sad to say, we don't have any contingent from Leyte. So well, we understand because of what really happened there. But they're gonna just make it up probably next year. Ang worry and apprehension matet sa kadaghanan kung pananglitan mo uwan. What if it's gonna rain? So we had the same experience the other year. I don't know if the same thing happened last year, that there were dancers who tripped and slipped on stage na slide kay dangog ang stage. So karon with this kind of weather, okay lang. I
Yeah,
hope.
everybody thought that it'll be a rain-drenched Sinulog. But then again, Santonio is so good to us that he gave this seemingly perfect weather for all the dancers and for all of us.
And praise the Lord for the procession yesterday. You were there and it didn't even rain.
That. And now let's go back
Yep.
to the main stage
Okay.
to witness the performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the contingent from the city of Bugo. Performing a free interpretation, Pundok Kabataan Bugohanon.